some crazy things are going on Amazon. I mean, not only Amazon is changing their user interfaces, which can a little bit annoy people. No, there are also some really strange listings. I just found this by chance. That's a professional or commercial carpet cleaner, and when you look at the price, that's really nice. We have the single price 464, and we have the really nice 3 package for with a huge discount. That's only 2,250. I mean, 3 times 400, that's 1,300 and something. So wow. Usually that's supposed to be a discount, the 3 pack, yeah, right? So I mean, when you go to Walmart or any other shop, then usually you are used to see a nice discount with these multi-packs, and here you see almost the double price. That's crazy. So how does that really work? When we go to the single price and go to new and used, I mean, yeah, by the way, there's why do we see 399? It's because new and used. When you go to the right side, there's the new view, and that's also a little bit annoying. So here we have for every listing or every price we see or we have been used to see if it's new or used. So here it says used 399, used 399, and here it doesn't say anything. I mean, here you have also condition, item will be come in the original package may be damaged. Then here same thing, and here it doesn't say anything. So usually with the old view it was saying new, so here it doesn't say anything. So what guarantee do we have that this is really new? That's a little bit annoying. If somebody watches this from Amazon, please change this again. That's not good, I think. But anyway, yeah, we see this, it is 446. That's the top listing, and when we go to the details we see that it is shipping from Amazon and sold by Amazon, which is usually good, because we know usually Amazon is usually considered as an official reseller, and then you have full warranty. With other sellers you never know, you have to make some kind of investigations if they are really considered to be a authorized reseller. So the 446 comes from Amazon, but how about the 2,200? So here we have also this listing, but it's just one listing, and when we go down we see it's coming from Purchase Perfect. So with the other listings we have seen, these are like carpet cleaning sellers. They are from this field, but here Purchase Perfect, it looks like it is just a seller who has any kind of things like tents, like shopping carts, whatsoever. And I don't know why they, yeah, I first thought, okay, they have just these listings where they list all the bulk items like multi-package overpriced, but it looks like it's not the case. They just came out with one thing where they sell this multi-package for a way higher price. I don't know why they do that, trying to scam people. Yeah, not a good thing. So it's really important. Yeah, we are approaching like the big sale season, like the Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale season, and a lot of people are buying a lot of big expensive stuff, and I can highly just advise or recommend to make sure that you don't overpay. And even when it's looking good, like you think a 3-pack, whatever it is, yeah, sounds cheap, do the math and calculate, and always, instead of just clicking on this, use this here where you see the details, and sometimes you can find listings where you don't have to buy tags. I mean, of course, you have to make sure that it is an official reseller and the end price is not more, but you can sometimes save money when you click on these listings and check out what's the best buy overall. By the way, when we go back to the single listings, yeah, that's something which I forgot to mention. That's this filter thing here, which is pretty helpful if you want to make sure that you only buy new stuff. You can click on that and you get only, you're shown only new things. And another important thing is when you go down, hope I can do that a little bit, when you go down here you can see that some of the listings, I mean, here we see this price, but on top of that we see a $104 shipping fee, which of course isn't here. So I mean, I don't see any reason that somebody would buy from this, at least not for this listing. Be careful about the price, not only the price but also shipping fee and tax. But unfortunately I cannot see any kind of tax, either none of these tax, or Amazon is not showing that anymore, and only when you check out they are showing tax. I don't have any answer to that. They just changed this view a couple of days ago. They are changing things almost every day, and not only to the good. A lot of things are now not working good anymore. But anyway, yeah, you really have to be careful, and the best thing is when you really pick something, add to cart, check it out, just double check or triple check again what the end price will be, what's the delivery, do you have to pay extra delivery or tax, and when will it be delivered, and all these things. Just be very, very careful, especially these days on Amazon. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.